Hello guys, my name is Peter. I'm offering different kind of tours of Athens and of course to other places. Not just Athens, I can go to Corinth. I go to the islands. I go to the islands close by Athens at Piraeus Port. What I do is I use a private car and I only take up to 6 people to show you guys around. And of course, I don't go to the average beach. I go to mostly when there's no tourists, where the locals go. Um, of course, everything is included: food, coffee. Uh, the only thing that is not included is alcoholic drinks. I show you a different aspect of Athens that most people have no idea it existed. The islands are fine. I'm not saying anything, but the the area around Athens is spectacular. There's a lot of deserted beaches. There's a lot of beautiful nature to see. Um, anyway, I take people to Corinth, for example. You get to see the canal, which is famous, and I tell you all about it. I show you around Athens, and not just the touristy part. I mean, Plaka and Acropolis and Parthenon and Monastiraki. Everybody knows about that, of course. I mean, if you want it, I can do that as well. Um, my background is that I lived in the States for a few years. I speak fairly decent English and I speak pretty good Swedish and, of course, Greek. So if you have somebody who can communicate in three languages, and I speak some Spanish as well. Um, all the tours that I provide, of course, are with a private car or with a van. The beaches that you see and the videos that you see here is I have put it together myself. I have shot it myself, and there are some very, very nice experiences you can do on the way out to Corinth. And then, of course, I have tours that go even beyond Corinth that you can see Olympia, where the original Olympic Games started, and the area around there. I also am in the process of talking to a few wineries of perhaps being able to create a wine tasting tour. Greece is famous for that as well. But pretty much I do everything. I pick you up from the airport, I drop you off at the port, or if you're coming in from the port, I help you with that. Help you find your hotels or anything that you might need while you're in Athens and Greece. And help you see a different aspect, see more the local part of Greece. So if you need anything at all, you can feel free to contact me via my channel here. My email address is also there, and I would definitely